You ever taken a bike from Port Harcourt to Aba, Abia State? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the series of adventure movement. For a while, I've just been craving to do some extraordinary things while preparing for this my wedding. So I was to go to Aba to pick up one or two things because the last market I went to, I didn't really get something because my friend that was supposed to go with me didn't go with me. So this time we had to refix again to go to Aba, and I told her we will be taking bike from Elimi Junction down to Aba, and she was like, Annabelle, this is not me, this cannot be me. But I told that girl, so long as you're with me on this journey, we're gonna be doing it. So this was the very bike we took, and I enjoyed this bike. This bike took me going and coming back. This was what we took. So this is a journey of a bride doing some adventures movement. So guys, I'm going to leave you guys to watch how our markets buying went, you know. So hey guys, in case this is your first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Anabi's Kitchen and Bake. And if you've not subscribed, please do where to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. And to get notified when I upload a new video, turn on your notification button. So this is us on the bike heading to Aba. This is it. You know, there are some renovation taking place in Aba. They're actually working on their road currently. So we got to this place in less than 1 hour 30 minutes. This was us, and as me telling my bike guy to say hello, me and my friend. It wasn't easy. She was really scared, but she held me so strong. I'm used to it because I do take bike from my place to the house. So I'm going to leave you guys so you just enjoy our vlog. Bye. So guys, we got to Aba, and I was complaining that my bum was paining because sitting for that hours on a bike, and it was running so fast. So we got to the market and we're ready to head to our shopping. It wasn't funny. So this is the market. This part of this market, I didn't get to this part the last time I came. We got to a lot of places. I got to complete my souvenir because the last time I came, I didn't get really much thing. I just got my wrappers, few souvenirs, and did one or two things, and then we came back. But those one who went deep than the market. So guys, I'm going to let you enjoy this vlog with us, and while the rest of the videos will be coming in, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube videos. Don't forget to watch, don't forget to like, share and comment. This is your baby girl, the bride to be. Your girl is coming to Abia State. My husband is actually an Abia State guy, so this vlog was really interesting because this young lady took me to places that I didn't know exist in this Aba market. We got to price a lot of things. We got to a lot of big importers in Aba. Wow, it wasn't easy. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy this, okay?
Nami, yo, I was carried away. I did not come again, no vex. So I can come by better one.
Do video.
Say hello. This is your business name, right? In case you want to buy Ankara, you come to Obi White for your wrapper. Or this is depot.
Imagine going into a shop to get your bridal outfit, and you ended up being entertained with white yam and goat meat pepper soup. This was the case of Annabelle and her friend who went to a shop to get their bridal outfit, and they were entertained with pepper soup and yam. Welcome to Obi Cubana Blazers. Here you get all the affordable, the latest bridal outfit at Obi Cubana in Aba market. Like, I was in wow when I got to this place, because man, if I had come to this place to get my materials, guys, I'm going to get everything. Like, everything was giving. The materials were affordable, lovely designs to speak of, I was really speechless, and I was beginning to regret why I didn't come to this place to get my outfit. But nevertheless, everything worked out for good, So in case you're looking for where to get your bridal outfits, the george, the materials, the fabrics, everything you're ever looking for, please go to Obi Cubana. As the name sounds, of course you'll be getting everything luxury. This was actually given, guys. So please look for Obi Cubana whenever you get to Aba. You want to get any outfit for any event, any occasion. At Obi Cubana is the best place for you. I'm going to allow you guys to watch this video. They have a tool shop where they sell the materials like the lace. They have the shop where you get your lace, and then the Indian george, like this ones you're seeing here, for all your lace. There's a second shop for them. This is practically for all the Indian trending lace. These are the latest lace that have been on board, bridal outfits that have been on board. So for more details, their handle is on Facebook and also on Instagram at Obi Cubana Blaze. That is where you can get all this. These are mainly on importer or wholesalers. That is what they deal on. We're just relaxing after eating our food, and then we left here to the next shop where we went to get things for hobby. So we came to this place trying to get the cap and the horse's tail, and then other things that is mainly for my husband. That things are so nice, lovely, affordable, and also expensive, though I didn't really get the name of this shop for you guys to check. Jesus. Where I can? I know if you do transfer. So after we finished from here, I went in search of hand fan because I didn't want to do hand fan. I wanted to buy. I've already gotten things I wanted to do my own, and I was just being lazy. But guys, I ended up producing my hand fan by myself. Remember, I learned this when I was in camp. So when we finished from the market, we went to see my friend's auntie who sells fresh tomatoes. These baskets are really big baskets compared to the ones we have here in Port Harcourt. So just in case you want to get contact for fresh tomatoes from Aba, please let me know in the comment section, so I'll refer you guys where to get your fresh tomato at affordable prices in Aba. Like, things are for not everything anyways, but things are affordable. So guys, so we've come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned while we'll bring to you the rest of our bride and wedding video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share. Bye, see you guys in my next video.